The Simpsons' predictive powers are back in the news. The internet is flooded with theories that Simpsons accurately predicted the attempted assassination of Donald Trump. On similar lines, we bring you the top 10 predictions made by this award-winning animated show that will make your jaw drop. Number 10, smartwatches. In the 1995 episode Lisa's Wedding, Lisa's future husband wears a device on his wrist that looks suspiciously like a smartwatch. This was over 20 years before the first Apple Watch was released. Number 9, autonomous cars. The 2015 episode Marge vs. the Monorail predicted the rise of autonomous vehicles. Today we are sure you have heard of Tesla. Number 8, horse meat scandal. In the 1994 episode Selma's Choice, Marge finds out that the burgers at Krusty Burger contain horse meat. In 2013, a scandal in the UK revealed that some beef products contained horse meat. Oops. Number 7, Donald Trump as president. In the 2000 episode Bart to the Future, Lisa becomes president of the United States and inherits a budget crisis from her predecessor, Donald Trump. The episode aired 16 years before Trump's real-life presidency. At number 6, we have Higgs boson particle. In the 1998 episode The Wizard of Evergreen Terrace, Professor Frink writes an equation on a chalkboard that predicts the mass of the Higgs boson particle. This particle was not discovered until 2012, which is 14 years later. Wow. Number 5, The Beatles Letter. An early episode of The Simpsons see Marge receiving a response to a piece of fan mail she had sent to Ringo Starr decades earlier. It became a reality for two Essex women in 2013 who were sent a letter by fellow Beatles Sir Paul McCartney 50 years after they had attempted to contact him. Number 4, Richard Branson going into space. Virgin Media tycoon Richard journeyed to the edge of space in the year 2021, prompting some fans to suggest that the series had in fact predicted this back in the 2014 episode called The War of Art. At number 3, we have Disney-Fox merger. The $71.3 billion acquisition of Fox by Disney took most of the world by surprise in 2019, but not some attentive Simpsons fans. The series had in fact predicted the Fox-Disney merger in a joke back in 1998. Number 2, US Olympic gold. A season 21 episode titled Boy Meets Girl saw Homer and Marge join a mixed doubles curling team, beating Sweden to take home Olympic gold for the US. The surprising win actually happened 8 years later in Pyongyang. At the numero uno spot is the Capitol riots. Simpsons fans suggested that the show had in fact predicted the Capitol riots in the 1996 episode The Day the Violence Died, pointing to a scene in which the steps of Capitol Hill are stormed by an angry mob of cartoon characters. The Simpsons have been predicting the future accurately for decades. If you like this video, follow NewsX for all the updates.